disability visualization is divided into three different sections. There is a navigation section at the top, there is a filter section in the middle, and there is a data section at the bottom. The navigation section at the top answers two most important questions. For the total disabled people, you get to know how are disabled people spread across India. For the employed disabled people section, you understand how many disabled people are employed in India. The filter section over here has three different categories of filters. There is gender, male, female, sector, rural, urban, disability types like hearing, sight, speech, movement, etc. Another interesting category of filter over here is all states, top 5 states, and bottom 5 states. So when you study a visualization like this, you want to know which are the outlier states. So the top 5 states lets me know, okay, these are the 5 states where the maximum number of people are disabled, or these are the 5 states where the least number of people are disabled. Or for the employed disabled people tab, it lets me know, okay, these are the 5 states where the maximum disabled people are employed, or these are the 5 states where the least number of people are employed. So let's just play around with the data a bit to derive insights. So if I just want to understand how are disabled people spread across India, for the rural sector, I select the filter rural here, and I see, okay, Uttar Pradesh is the state with maximum number of disabled people. If I want to understand how are disabled people spread across urban India, so okay, so we have the maximum number of disabled people in Maharashtra. So based on the filters you choose, the corresponding data appears in the bar graph here or the choropleth map of India here. Also, whatever filters you choose here, you can compare the values here in the bar graph. So for example, if I'm looking at the different types of disabilities and the urban sector, I can see how the different disabled people are spread across India for different disability types. So this was about the total disabled people tab. Now let's go to the employed disabled people tab. In India, there are three different categories of employment for disabled people. There are main workers who work more than 6 months. There are marginal workers who work from 3 to 6 months. And then there are non-workers who do not work at all. So based on the different filters you choose here, you can compare the data values. Now if I just want to see how females are performing, so this goes off, and over here I can compare the employment values for females. This dark green over here talks about the main workers, then there are female workers, and then there are non-workers. So you can compare how females are performing for different disability types all across India. So based on the filters you choose and the different data can be seen in the choropleth map of India or the bar graph here. So let's bring these filters back. And over here you can see, okay, Nagaland is the state with maximum number of employment percentage. Okay.